How to fix and solve file import failure error message. The file has an unsupported compression type in Adobe Premiere Pro. In Adobe Premiere Pro, when you try to import a file, File, Import, select File and Open File, Importing files. Then you can read File import failure error message. The file has an unsupported compression type, and the only thing you can do is click on OK. To fix and solve this problem, you must change the compression type of this file. You can do this very easy with a file converter. You can find many file converters on Google, but I recommend the safe and trustable file converter of OBS Studio. Download and open OBS Studio. Click on the file and click on Remux Recordings. Open your files by clicking on the three dots. Select and open your file. And click on Remux. Recording remixed. Click on OK. Now your file is converted to another compression type that is supported by Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's check it out. Open your file in Adobe Premiere Pro. And now you see the problem is fixed and solved. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.